For the repair of the Hyundai overcurrent trip unit, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add the official tester provided by Hyundai, and we carry out the following tests. At first, we perform a long time delay test. Then we perform a short time delay test, and after about 400 microseconds, the unit trips. Lastly, we perform an instantaneous test, and the unit trips instantly. It is now clear that the overcurrent trip unit is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.